Four Boys Garage back here, and started in on a quick boat canvas repair. We had a big tear here. It's about 40 inches long, and this thing is reaching the end of its life. We're gonna have to do a new cover next year, but we had a really bad tear. Like I said, 40 inches long here, and we had to do something quick, and thought it was worth a video because we found this canvas repair tape, and it's very impressive. This roll, it's about 70 inches long. This tear is too long to get two pieces out of for us. I thought that it would do both sides. We've already done the other side, and that's what we're so impressed is how well this adhesive is bonding. And I don't know really much about these kinds of things. I usually think they're gimmicky, but this was so impressive. We thought we needed to let people know. Now this is their dark green color. They make other colors. This doesn't match our top very well. But again, we're going to be doing a new cover for next season, but we're already more than halfway through this year, and just not going to be worth the trouble right now. So this was like $9.95 on Amazon, and we'll put a link up in the corner there to this if you need something like this. But I mean, I cannot believe how well this has stuck. This adhesive is, I mean, I just touch it, it's wicked. It's holding every fiber down. Now I'm gonna put another layer on this inside here, just to really sandwich the tear, just because there's some tension on this cover, and I guess we'll see how this holds up. But we thought we'd make a quick video. If you've got some canvas, you know, boat cover, you know, umbrella or something for your patio.
I think you even showed a couch.
A couch, yeah, outdoor furniture. Yeah, on the picture here. We didn't do anything special with this. We just got it lined up the best we could and peeled it back and stuck it on, and it is crazy how well this is sticking. So yeah, anyway, just throwing it out there. If you need one of these, pick it up. Again, we'll put an affiliate link in there, and we'll get a small commission. We're not sponsored by them or anything.